Hey, welcome back guys. So where have I been since the last time I updated? This is going to be update 20. Well, as you remember, I took the front cover off in my last update, I do believe. The reason why there was is because there was a lot of filings on the end of this cone here, on the end of this here, and it got me worried. Bearing in mind that was only on turnover, that wasn't actually at firing. And the only other reason as well is I took this off is because I wanted to make sure I had this lined up, which I did, so I could then determine where the firing point was on this, because this doesn't have a standard Ford ECU, has an aftermarket one in it, so I didn't know where it actually fired up, even though that I've done it once before. I couldn't remember. Anyway, got it all right. It's running now. But what was happening before, what I did notice as well, was there was a lot of metal filings, as I said a minute ago, and I wanted to find out where that was coming from, because I don't want a rerun of what happened before. The biggest mystery of it all was that when I could see it, it was all over that. So I was thinking, well, it can't be the crank. So I was thinking maybe these bits here, that when they were meshing, maybe there was like a bit of metal that was slightly frayed, and it was just grinding against itself, and then it was flicking up on top of here. That's my idea of it anyway. So what I'm going to do is I've temporarily put silicone sealant on this, so then I can take it all back off again and see if it's doing it again. If it's not doing it again, I think I'm in the clear. But I need to change the oil in it, so I've got some more oil from Euros, so that's going back in there again. Now, because it's got water in it, that's the only reason why, because this front cover actually holds the water pump on the other side, and these are the water inlets for it, so I have to do it, unfortunately. Right, okay, that's what I'm going to do. Crack on with that. Once I've done it, I'll give you an update. Update 21 after this one. Cheers. Like, share and subscribe.